Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Dalton from the Petrol List, and as you can see, right behind me is the racing Lumina. I haven't been here in a couple of weeks, but like a crap load of work has been done. I'm gonna see if I can find somebody to give me a tour of what's been handled so far. I don't have a whole lot of time to wrench today.
3 hours later.
Let me see if I can figure out what's been done.
Hello, it is Jacques, your automotive and motorsports expert. You know, one thing that separates the great racing teams from just the good ones is the great ones are so well rehearsed. Everything in the garage has its place, and they know exactly where that place is. They also communicate with each other on such a level, it is almost as if they are all identical twins and they're using telepathy rather than words. It is amazing to witness, and you will see it on display here.
Oh, I pressed a button.
Paper cup. The paper cup on the edge of the table.
You're scaring me there for a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just do
Lumina.